Meet Angad Daryani, a 16-year-old innovator from Mumbai. At just 16 years old, Angad Daryani is a true maker, blending invention with entrepreneurship, art and public speaking. Angad's creation include the mobile electrocardiogram, which brings heart health monitoring to your fingerprints, and the Virtual Braille 3D printer, designed to aid the visually impaired. His solar-powered boat and audio-sensitive LED display showcase his innovation spirit and commitment to practical, impactful solutions. With a passion of cutting-edge technology and a drive to make a difference, Angad continues to inspire as he merges his skills in invention, art and communication. This Engineers Day, we celebrate young visionaries like Angad Daryani who redefine what's possible with their creativity and drive. Dream big and innovate boldly. Happy Engineers Day, celebrate the spirit of innovation.